Hi. Not even a single farmer organization asked for the bill that has been passed by our legislation. Despite opposition Rajya Sabha, there was no voting conducted. And since then, they have been calling that it's in the interest of the farmers. But that's not true. They have not been consulted. Not they have asked for the bill. They have been forced on them. And now when they are protesting, they have been labeled as terrorists. And this is not a new thing. This we have seen this in past also. Whenever a student protests, they are Tukde gang. When a intellectual protests, they are urban Naxal. When you are against the unconstitutional CAA, NRC, then you are a Pakistani. And now, when the farmers are protesting, they have been labeled as a Khalistani in the national television. There are not only the farmers from Punjab, they have been from Haryana, from Uttarakhand, from Rajasthan, from Uttar Pradesh. But still, government is running on its own propaganda, and the people are believing it blindly. And I urge to the fellow citizens, please don't buy the shit they have been selling to us. We should focus what it should be. Government is damaging from the last 6 years the very institution on which the country is surviving. They are armed twisting the Reserve Bank of India. Whenever a governor is against the policy, they are forced to resign. There are long pending cases in the Supreme Court that are of national interest, but still they are not on the priority. Instead, the Supreme Court suo moto on individuals and target them. Not only Supreme Court, not only Reserve Bank of India, even the BSNL, railways, or even the airport, they have been privatized to favor the big corporates. And it is us to stop the big corporates from becoming so big that there will be no one else in the competition. We should boycott the big corporate, big products so that there can be level play. But the government is trying its best to build their narrative, to promote their propaganda in the name of national interest, but that is not in the national interest, but instead it is in the favor of just few individuals. Power is being centralized to the I just want to give you an example like the Chief Minister of Punjab and the Assembly passed bill against it. And despite being passed in the Assembly, our President didn't make the elected Chief Minister of a state, and it is direct killing of a democracy. And I think it's our time to stand and say no. We don't want like country to be run like this. And very simply we can do two things: boycott big corporates, and second, we should elect our independent MPs that have their own credibility, not vote on a party. Thank you.